She is tired, but she works. She is tired, but she works. He cooks and she eats. He cooks and she eats. She stays home because it rains. She stays home because it rains. He was late, so he ran. He was late, so he ran. She smiles although she is tired. She smiles although she is tired. He will go if she agrees. He will go if she agrees. She waits until he arrives. She waits until he arrives. He reads while she cooks. He reads while she cooks. She drinks water before she sleeps. She drinks water before she sleeps. He washes his hands after he eats. He washes his hands after he eats. She works unless she feels sick. She works unless she feels sick. He studies even though he is tired. He studies even though he is tired. She saves money whenever she can. She saves money whenever she can. He calls her whenever he arrives. He calls her whenever he arrives. She takes an umbrella wherever she goes. She takes an umbrella wherever she goes. He exercises as he listens to music. He exercises as he listens to music. She works as long as she has time. She works as long as she has time. He leaves once he finishes work. He leaves once he finishes work. She smiles whenever she sees him. She smiles whenever she sees him. He studies in order that he can improve. He studies in order that he can improve.